In this video, we want to prove that for every integer n greater than or equal to 0, the product from I equals 0 to n of 1 over 2i plus 1 times 2i plus 2 is equal to 1 over 2n plus 2 factorial. We're going to first start off with the left side. We can move the product here to go on the bottom because 1 is not going to do anything in the numerator. If you multiply 1 n plus 1 times, it's still just going to be 1. So now we just have to focus on the product from I equals 0 to n of 2i plus 1 times 2i plus 2. So to get a pattern going, let's look at if we plug in I equals 0. That's just going to be, in the denominator, that's just going to be 1 times 2. And then when I equals 1, we get 3 times 4. When I equals 2, we get 5 times 6. So if we continue this pattern, when I equals n, we have 2n plus 1 times 2n plus 2. And because this is a product, we're going to be multiplying all of these guys. So essentially what we're doing is multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 2n plus 1 times 2n plus 2. Which, this is the same thing as just saying 2n plus 2 factorial. So therefore, if we substitute it back, we have the product from 1 of 1 over 2i plus 1 times 2i plus 2 is the same thing as just 1 over 2n plus 2 factorial. And so this is proved.